Prior to the blueprint process with ZenPilot, our project management system was a total train wreck. Hey, what's up? This is JJ at Sales Driven Agency. I am the head of service delivery. We have all of these parallel systems and ways of doing things that have really muddied the water when it comes to executing and doing so consistently. So with the ZenPilot team's help, with the blueprint in place, the ability to pull all of those things together into that one gold standard that we all have clarity around and are executing against will allow us to deliver far more effectively and far more consistently for our clients. And it'll just make us better as a team overall. I have to give them a 10 out of 10 all the way across the board. When you're evaluating a business, you're looking at people, product, or process. And on all three of those fronts, I'd give them a 10 out of 10. The people that we engaged with and have engaged with so far have been phenomenal, both from their expertise to the way that they've engaged with our team, their level of professionalism, but also just making us feel like we are partners in this endeavor, in understanding our business and getting to the root issue. That speaks to their process. It was very clear from the get-go that they've done this over and over and over again, but they've done it over and over again at a high level and gotten stellar results. And that was clear in the way that we experienced this with them. And then the product or the service, it is something that we desperately need. And so to walk into a room and feel like from day one, hey, these are subject matter experts. They do know exactly what they're doing, and they can help us get from A to Z to accomplish our goals. Now, that made me feel incredibly secure and excited to continue working with them in the future. So 10 out of 10 for the ZenPilot team from us here at Sales Driven Agency.